Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo bathing Loula the dog. Let's start drawing. Let's draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling mouth, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his body and his arms. Then I draw his 2 legs. I place a big brush in his hands. Next to him, I draw a bathtub. Now I am going to draw Loula the dog. I draw her eyes and her nose. I draw her 2 ears, then her body. And some bubbles. Loula doesn't like bathing at all. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. I will color his mouth with light red. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Yellow. Let's color Loula. I color Loula's skin with this brown marker. For her ears, I use this marker. Then I use light blue for the foam. I color the tub with purple. I use pink for the brush handle and cream for the brush itself. Mint. Light blue. And pink. Looks really good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.